A few hours later. Whoa, God, may I take your order? I'm a tenant. Foot long or sausage? Foot long? Who wants to do kids meal? Yeah. Okay, what kind of ingredients? Tomato. Hey. What kind of cheese? Meat? American provolone or our new Swiss cheese?
American, okay.
Are you serious? What kind of cheese?
American cheese, he said.
Okay.
Let's go. Oh, come on, I'll do it. There's no more American cheese. What would you like?
Oh, crap. No.
What kind of cheese?
I don't want. Who cares about that?
Okay, he wants the other one.
Okay.
Would you like some olives?
Yeah. Okay.
Lettuce, tomato.
No. 6 olives.
Okay, how about mustard or ketchup?
No.
Mustard?
No.
Ketchup?
No.
Mayonnaise?
Yeah.
Okay, that will be $4.50, and your rate.
Also, here's your bulk.
Free book. Bye bye,
Bye. Have a great day.
and never come back. I mean, have a good day.
Okay.
So there's not many customers.
My finger almost got stuck while I was doing,
No.
but I got it out.
There's no more customers. Should we close the store?
Oh, I don't want it now.
I do want to move. Nope.
Wait, there's a gas station at our window.
What?
I think there might be Subway frozen sandwiches there.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Where are the customers? I'm starting to get bored.
Free time.
Yay, free time!
Yeah, free time, yeah.
Hey!
Okay, let's take a break.
Okay.
Ash!
Okay.
That's how you take a break time.
Break time!
Ow.
Ow! No!
No. Push me, push me, push me, push me on, son.
Oh no, I'm so hungry.
Wait, is someone hungry?
I heard someone hungry. Hey you! Come here!
Welcome to Subway. May I take your order?
Coke and what kind of sandwich?
No, my sandwich. I
No,
want
you have to order a sandwich.
sandwich and Coke.
Yo, go. That'll be $4.50.
Wait a second. When do we have dead animals?
Aw, this is so cute. It's a dead animal.
I think that's our latest ingredient.
Oh.
There you go. What the?
Okay, cleaning time. Oh, it's time for cleaning. Let's go. I'm going to sweep the floor.
Okay, the dolphin needs to
Hey, you need to
drink
clean
some water.
feed the animals. Sir, get out. We're closing.
Poppy,
You're
doppy,
gonna
doppy.
clean. Wow.
Oh.
That's not how you clean.
That's how you clean. Sweep, sweep, sweep.
Oh no,
Hey!
Oh no, my head is broken.
Back off!
Back to being drunk. Back to being drunk.
Hey! We're gonna call the manager.
Not the manager again. It's the manager again, boy.
Ouch!
Ow. Ow. It's not me, please.
Nayala. Ay,
Oh,
ito, Liam.
manager, what is wrong? What? You were drinking, he said. She said. Why were you drinking alcohol?
I was drinking Coke again.
Sakit.
Oh my god.
Then why did you
Just
say?
like last minute.
Then why did you say time to get drunk? If you do that one more time, you are fired. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Lucy,
Mm-hmm.
pangit mo naman dito. Mukha lang dyan.
Bye. I'm back. You got in trouble, haha.
Okay, I'm back. Back to the hospital. And I'm back.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
I hit my foot. Can I have that?
Wait.
This. Break time. Break time.
Break time.
What?
Break time. Ah.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Help me. Wait a second. Who knows about previously we break our bones?
Oh.
Wait a second. We ran out of toppings again.
You go buy them. It's my break time.
Okay.
Hey, don't you?
It's break.
No. No! I'm gonna call the ambulance. Hello, ambulance. Yes. Okay. Let's go. Okay.
Just happened. Doctor, what just happened? You eat.
You eat poop.
You wait. What? Did I
Yes.
eat poop?
Yes.
You fell from the.
You bandit lunch. At Subway, at my job.
Because you're drunk.
I'm the number one psychopath.
Run!
Beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat
Takbo na
it,
yan.
beat it, beat it. I saved the day from a lot of doctors. Okay, let's go back to work.
Okay.
Wait, we need our tools.
Hello, welcome to Subway. How may I help you?
I want 10 meat and hamburger. I mean pink.
This is Subway. We have only sandwiches and drinks.
I want
Yes, drinks.
What
Hey!
you have? What drink you have?
What would you like? What kind of sandwich? What kind of cheese?
Oh!
Toasted or not?
I
Do you want olives, mustard, ketchup, baby?
There's
Do you
no-
want
there's
lettuce? Do you
no-
want tomato? Do you want tomato?
Welcome to Subway, may I take your order?
Can you? What would you like, sir?
I want you want?
A foot long
Ketchup!
sausage.
I want a
I
foot
want. Okay, what kind of ingredients?
What would you like? What kind of drink?
hot dog,
What
ham, bacon.
That's not ingredients.
That's ingredients.
What kind of drink?
Meron ka daw.
I want.
Milk
It's 2021. We'll just wear a face mask.
Here you go. Here, there will be $1.50.
Okay, what do you want?
And here's your change.
Um,
Never
ethnic
come
sandwich.
back.
Okay, foot long.
Thank you. Can I have bacon on top?
Oh.
Bumili ko lang eh. Pwede.
Thank
You
you.
want
Yun
more
kasi yun kaya
bacon?
sinabi yung
No.
sa kanina sabihin ko sa'yo.
But thank you.
Kailangan
So
ko
what she
na-
said.
Pumasok daw sa kanya.
zero.
Yung kanina sabi niya, di ba si Mitch ko sabi niya, magkakaasa ka isa.
My face mask.
Oh. Sabi ko sila huwag susi.
That's all.
Maybe sometimes we'll hate 2020.
Kung bata na yung
What did you do to work?